Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and this is a quick unboxing of this Rode Video Mic Pro. It's a small directional mic that I have got for my ZV-1, Sony ZV-1. So let us unbox this Rode Video Mic to see what contents it comes with. So I'll just go and remove the seal, and let me see what it has. Okay, so it comes in the package like this. So here it comes. So this is a box. So to scan will give you this. If you scan this here, you will get to the Rode website to get some more information. And this is how it comes. Beautiful case. Let's open it. Okay, small registration part, then paperwork, quick start guide, and this is the actual mic. So it comes installed with the dead cat. So there is a dead cat, a pretty big one, soft to touch, and this is the mic. So we have this mic here. This is the 3.5 mm jack, which will have this cable. So this cable will go into this mic jack, and the other end will go into the camera. This is the shock mount. Here is the shock mount. So we can install it like okay, forget about the color. We can install it like this. It's installed. Okay, it's now installed like this, and it will go into, there's this cable and some silica gel. So it will go into Sony ZV-1, something like this. Okay, so it will go into the shock mount, something like this. And then you can tighten. So this is it. So this is how you install the Rode Video Mic Pro into the Sony ZV-1. And the next thing is get this cable. One end will go into the mic, and the other end will go into this mic input. So this is how it will be installed, and you can also install the dead cat. So that's it. That's how it will look if you put it on the Sony ZV-1. So this is how you can use it for recording your video. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video.